If you obtain a mortgage to buy an investment property, you will have to come up with funds for your down payment, closing costs and prepaid taxes, and insurance expenses. But what about reserves? Your lender will almost certainly require you to document that you have sufficient cash in the bank on top of all those costs before they let you close on the loan. With that in mind, here's what you should know about reserve requirements when buying a rental property, how much you should expect your lender to require, and why you might want to set even more aside. Hey everyone, it's your favorite local realtor, Adam Brunelle, and today we're talking about reserves. So, what exactly are reserves? Well, when a financial institution loans you hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy a property, the last thing they want is for you to run out of money immediately after closing. At the very least, they want you to be able to cover your first few mortgage payments, even if you can't find renters, lose your job, or face other financial hardships. For this reason, lenders always have some sort of reserve requirement, which means that you'll have to have a certain amount of money in cash that you could potentially tap into if needed. You don't need to deposit your reserves with the lender or leave them in any specific account. Technically, after you close on the property, you can do whatever you want with the reserve funds. So you may be asking yourself, how much will my lender require? Unfortunately, there's no set answer. The minimum level of reserves you'll be required to show depends on a few factors, such as the property type, your credit score and debt-to-income ratio, your down payment, and your lender-specific rules. In general, the riskier your loan is perceived to be, the more you'll be expected to have in reserves. The bottom line, guys, is that while it's clearly not desirable to have too much of your investment capital tied up, it's better to over-prepare when it comes to reserves. If you end up not needing them before your investment property starts generating reliable cash flow, great. But if you do need the cash, you'll be glad you considered your lender's minimum as just that, a minimum. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be sure I get back to you. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.